It's a great pleasure now, after these wonderful introductions, to come to the official acts. Sometimes one has to be a bit more serious and formal in order to really honor the moment, and that's where we are now. It's a great moment that we, as the Rudolf Geigy Foundation, have the pleasure to hand over the Rudolf Geigy Award, the 11th Rudolf Geigy Award, to Dr. Tobias Schindler. Tobias! Congratulations will follow, but now comes the official act, dear Tobias. This is the Laudatio. The Laudatio, why we feel that you are a wonderful awardee for the 11th Rudolf Geigy Award. The Laudatio, dear Tobias, it's our great pleasure to confer the 11th Rudolf Geigy Award to you, Dr. Tobias Schindler. Dr. Tobias Schindler, Tobias, who throughout his career, from laboratory technician, infection biologist and epidemiologist, has devoted all his attention and commitment to research, development and implementation of diagnostic methods and immunological assays of infectious and neglected diseases for the benefit of the affected populations of Africa. Tobias, who with his extensive knowledge and creative mind has significantly enriched the diagnosis of malaria and the analysis of the immune response against malaria, thus making a significant contribution to the fight against malaria generally and to vaccine development particularly. Tobias, who at the beginning of the SARS COVID-19 pandemic immediately put all his energy into the development of test systems for virus detection for middle and low income countries, thus also making a significant contribution to pandemic control in Tanzania and in Equatorial Guinea. And this is also the main focus of his malaria studies throughout his past career. Tobias, who has always planned and carried out his research and development work in partnerships with colleagues from Tanzania and Equatorial Guinea, including the validation of the results within the respective health systems. And Tobias, who thanks to his sensitive and fine character, his competence and enthusiasm, he naturally enjoys wide and great recognition among the population concerned, in scientific circles and among national and international decision makers. Tobias, who in its research and development and the implementation work on malaria and SARS-CoV-19 was able to combine the state-of-the-art technology and the experience and knowledge of the people concerned in most innovative ways. Now, for all these reasons, Tobias, and with great recognition of these scientific and excellent achievements, realized with great commitment under difficult circumstances, the Rudolf Geigy Foundation has awarded its 11th Rudolf Geigy Award to Dr. Tobias Schindler. We are delighted for Tobias and are convinced that Professor Rudolf Geigy would also celebrate Tobias Schindler as a very well-worthy winner. The excellent achievements of Dr. Tobias Schindler largely correspond to Professor Geigy's visions, which were mainly shaped in Africa. Tobias, you're committed and your ways of doing research in partnership in the laboratory and in the field is what Professor Geigy wanted to promote with the Rudolf Geigy Foundation. It are these examples that time and again, despite often difficult conditions and situations, give us a perspective for a better future for all people in this world. Congratulations, dear Tobias, and I have the pleasure to hand you over the Rudolf Geigy Award, the 11th Rudolf Geigy Award, here for you. This is a decoration. It contains the picture of Rudolf Geigy, how he was, be it here in the laboratory, be it here in the office. At that time people were still smoking in the office, and be it in the field. Tobias, this is yours.
Thank you very much.
Tobias, at the same time you don't only live with a nice medal, but there is something more important that our dear Vice President of the Rudolf Geigy Foundation, Jean-Marc Görin, will take the floor now and hand over the most crucial issues.
Thank you very much, Marcel. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, Tobias, Professor Geigy would be proud having you here among us in front of this beautiful building where the Swiss Tropical Institute entered in 1947. Now the real thing, first the flowers.
Thank you.
And then the diploma. Here it is. That's for you. And finally, that's the check for you and for your team. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best.